5 smart genius animals in the world. Hi guys and welcome back. Today we will talk about the world's top 5 smartest animals. Humans tend to feel overconfident about their place at the top of the food chain. Humans take it for granted that we are the most intelligent species on Earth. Other animal species exhibit some of these characteristics. Raccoons are adept at picking locks, and crows understand physics. Measuring animal intelligence may be challenging. Comparing intelligence throughout the animal world is difficult, since tests are often developed for a single species and are difficult to reuse across a species. Keeping all of this in mind, we have compiled this list of the 5 most intelligent animals, excluding humans, based on their relative intellect. Number 5. Crows. Crows are another kind of animal that are very clever and have been used as messenger, similar to how pigeons have been used. They can use complicated group tactics, such as flanking maneuvers in combat with other animals. Crows are capable of recognizing faces to differentiate between predators and benign species. Still, they also understand basic physics, like this lab crow who mastered water displacement to maneuver a treat within reach. Researchers have found evidence that crows adjust their migratory routes to avoid potentially dangerous places. Crows have even been learning the routes and timetables of garbage trucks to more successfully grab food off the vehicles as they transport the trash. Crows possess the largest brain of all avian species, and studies have revealed that they can recognize individual human faces. Number 4. Octopus. The remaining species on this list of the most intelligent animals are all vertebrates, which means they have backbones. However, some invertebrates are exceptionally intelligent. The octopus brain is the biggest of any animal, and it has many of the intricate characteristics of the human brain, such as folding lobes. However, 60% of their body's neurons are located in their arms. One octopus confined in an aquarium was shown throwing pebbles and spraying water at the overhead lights to damage them. In contrast, another octopus was filmed gathering up half coconut shells to use them as protection. Octopi are known to utilize tools. Other intelligence indicators include the ability to open a jar by unscrewing the lid, and the speed with which one can find their way through a maze. Number 3. Raccoons. A raccoon is an excellent choice for the leader of your gang if you are going to pull off a heist with cutesy animal thieves. Raccoons could pick sophisticated locks in less than 10 tries, according to peculiar research that was conducted in 1908 by ethologist H.P. David. This was true even when the locks were rearranged or turned upside down. Raccoons can remember the answers to problems for up to 3 years, according to the findings of several research carried out during the 1960s and 1990s. Raccoons can practically hear earthworms crawling underground because of their vast hearing range. Number 2. Dolphins. Dolphins are sometimes considered the second smartest creatures on the planet, are owing to their relatively large brain-to-body size ratio, ability to express emotion, and remarkable mimicry skills. Research from the Institute of Marine Mammal Studies in Mississippi indicates that dolphins may be the second sneakiest species on Earth. In addition to being readily trainable, dolphins are capable of recognizing themselves in mirrors, detecting foreign markings on their bodies in a reflection, recognizing television pictures, and possessing an outstanding memory. Dolphins and whales are the only marine species that pass the mirror test of self-awareness and have a strong sense of social identity. They are also exceptionally gregarious animals. Dolphins have remembered a mate sound after more than 20 years of separation. When dolphins at the institute were taught to pick up trash in their tanks and swap it for fish, Kelly, one of the dolphins, found a method To circumvent this system, Kelly surreptitiously tore single sheets of abandoned paper into many pieces and turned them in one at a time to maximize her fishy prize by concealing them behind a rock in her aquarium. According to analysts, Kelly's lie was no mistake. She did it on purpose. Number 1. Orangutans. Orangutans come in the first place here for a very interesting reason. Orangutans can use tools, learn sign language, and have sophisticated social systems, including rituals. What differentiates them is their cognitive capacity to comprehend the why or the logic behind certain behavior. An orangutan has learned to use tools and construct a rudimentary structure in captivity. When researchers released him into the wild, they witnessed the same orangutan creating tools from what he could find and then building a similar house to avoid the rain. It is not surprising that the orangutan is so intelligent, given that it shares almost 97% of its DNA with humans. Their usage of tools is superior to that of any other animal species. Orangutans have learned to use a hose to siphon liquids and might be taught to use a hammer and nails. They are, regrettably, extremely endangered because of habitat destruction in their native Indonesia. Now you can know which animal are the smartest. Do any of the animals on the list of the smartest ones surprise you? Or maybe we forgot to add an obvious animal to the list of smart ones. What do you think? Tell us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel.